a fourth year, and I am a double major in physical geography and art. I'm from San Diego, North County area, the suburbs, but I lived in upstate New York, I've lived in New Jersey, Davis, so yeah, moved around. So Body of Proof, the title, is about retroactive documentation and kind of why are we compelled to do this? We're compelled to do this because it's being able to prove to yourself that like it happened or it was there. Like, so for me, the proof that even though I can't remember everything about the places and it's weird that they existed before me, no one's after me, like despite my presence, and being able to still connect or remember. Title of the installation, I called it Please Forward No Longer at This Address. I really like having weird titles that make the person evaluate the relationship to what they thought about the work. Because it's based off, you know, my personal story about moving around a lot. For this show, I was really interested in the ginkgo leaves. It was inspired by a ginkgo-tree that was by a house that I lived in like for 1 year when I was 5. Like that's one of the few things I remember from that place, but I really remember loving the shape of the leaves and the color to the point where I'm like, I'm gonna go collect a bag full of ginkgo leaves. So I got the Wendy M. Finkel Memorial Award / scholarship. Like you don't apply for this, they just choose the most promising junior. And it felt really good and really affirming that, because the professors take a vote, that they chose me and they liked kind of the direction I was going, and it just was really touching. I really felt the community.